Hello guys, today is what? Today is June 11 and 2019 and today is the first day of the work. It's been a while. I'm going to show you what they have done at this back area since I forgot to take a video yesterday, but now it's done. The reason we just made this like this, it's just to cover the joint. So that's how it looks like. Yan. It's simple but it's look good. It just so pagkaparehas din yan dun sa labas. So at the back of that area, it's also like this. So this is look like a semi-joint finishing, I think. So yeah, that's what they've done today. Today is the second day. Yeah. So look good. So now they're going back. They're going to work inside the house, which is they do finishing. Ha. See, sa akong vlog. Right?
Right.
Okay, good. So what they're gonna do is they're going to finish some inch in that area. They're going to finish that one. They're going to continue finish because we're going to make a cathedral ceiling. That was what we've done in that hallway. So maybe in the near future, soon we're going to put ceiling in this area. So yeah. So hopefully this will be done maybe Friday. At least it's done. The finishing inside the house. So it quite be how do you call it, busy and messy. But yeah, they're going to finish also right there. So excuse me that sound guys, because somebody in the neighborhood doing a grass cutter, they're mowing their garden, their backyard. So yeah, yan yung area na ano nila finishing. It's 50 feet wide. Yes, they're moving the scaffold. That's scaffold in English, right? It's a damba in Bisaya. What's in Tagalog? Sa Tagalog sa dambaya?
Ambot lang.
Damba.
Damba.
Yeah, they made 2 scaffolds. One right there and one right there. So 1 and 2.
Ikaw diri dito. Pero ato sa tong i-final gid kuan niya. Yang alain ba?
May buntag.
San?
Did you turn on the that fan should be face here? That yellow fan? Yeah, but it's facing right there. It should be face. Okay, better.
This one, I don't know why it's turned off.
Because they're sweeping man.
Oh, the sweeping one? Okay.
Samo ko ni siya nga ba na Samo kay ka. Oh guys, so that's the area to finish for today. Is Wednesday. And yeah, that's the area there. They're done with that section. They just lined up and going up. And that's where the ceiling start. And then they will continue there and there. A joke. There pa di ay. That one. So it looks different. So yeah. It's kind of messy, but as expected. So yeah. Right. So they skip coated, first coated that area. So it's look like it's not covered. So today is the 5th day and they finish that corner. It's not yet joint finished because they're running out of time. Same as this one. So this one is done, the corner. So in this area, ito mo lang yung tatapusin, the corner. And also, oh, you put bricks out there. That, oh, then that corner is done piling, but how do you call this? But they will finish that one this coming Monday. Kasi nga, they're running out of time. And at least, diba, for one day, they finished two parts or two section. So, in that, nag-interrupt yung bird. So, in that section, diba? In that section pala guys, is half lang siya. Same as the corner. See that? Yeah. Same as, hindi namin. Guys, today is the 6th day. And Monday, yan, they're done. How do you call it? So dark, yeah, like that. They're done joint finish, that one. So yan, tapos na. So, I'm going to show you what the other guy, we only have three people, 2 skilled and 1 helper. So, the 6th day, they're done with this one. So yeah, that's our temporary, but you know, since we're going to sell this house, we would like to just put partial secure and strong fence. So we use a bamboo wood because again, the new owner can beautification that one in the near future. So just to secure the whole fence, we will just put wood on the top. And this one, you're going to finish this one whole finish, the wall, and the outside area of that one is like a joint finish. So yeah, they're done for the 6th day, and I think they have at least 27 minutes overtime because my husband wants, since the one guy still have extra cement, and so my husband wants to finish the one area so that tomorrow they can just put wood fence in that one, and they're gonna continue the next 1, 2, 3, 4 section left. So yeah, that's for the 6th day. So hi everyone, today is the 7th day of the work, the job or whatever. This is the job that they've done. So this work is good for this month. So just for this month, just for the month. So June. So yeah. So they're done with that yesterday, and they're done with this. So they finish almost 4 sections for a day. So that 1 and 2 sections, they're done. They just need to be finished, and then we're gonna put same as that wood there that you saw it. So yeah, that's what they've done almost. So we're running out of bricks too. We need hello guys, today is the 8th day of working, and so they finished 1, 2, 3, 4 section. So the back area of that one should be done Friday, but that's done for a day, and then probably they're gonna done this area tomorrow, and then another one area, but it's just a joint finish. So since in the outside, yeah, and since we don't have neighbors, and how do you call it, that's why we've done a joint finish. So yeah, that should be done tomorrow like this. So it will be better now and nice, because that wood will be installed where this should be installed where, yeah, but the area
there and there is what that's measured for, and then you've got to build the other 3.
oh yeah. So yeah, so today is the 9th work day, and they install already that wood, bamboo wood, and they finish the 3 section here, and I think the joint finish also outside. This is our back exit. Let's take a look. That's what they've done. And
Here you can really see how big the house is.
here, that's they just joint finish the outside, as you can see. So all the way back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 section. They're going
Watch
to
where you're stepping.
It's a pile. So yeah, that's it for today. It's the 9th day. 9th day work. So yeah. So that's it, guys, for today. Yeah, I think probably or hopefully they can put concrete or they can finish this section because we only have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So yeah, you look how big the house is. So yeah, it would be nice soon. Come on, I'll feed you. So today is the 11th work day on Saturday. So yeah, that's what they've done. So, and also this one for today, and they put also, how they got bamboo fence. So yeah, today is the 11th day. So according to my husband, this is 5 blocks, 6 blocks, and that one is, it would be in the future 7 blocks. So yeah, we're doing it slowly but surely, but at least we only have 3 section left. So mango tree, please be good to us. Yeah guys, we didn't expect for the 11th work day. Yan na yung natapos nila. And also the one worker. So tomorrow we're going, my husband and I, we're going to install those fence, wood fence into up there. And that's what they've done. Second skim coating, and yeah. And then the one guy, the labor, wiped some excess skim coat. So today is the 12th work day, and they've done. It's raining, but still they finish the outside fence. So I'm going to show you. Since they're done, guys, I just send them to their houses because kasi nga umuulan. So yeah, they finished this one, and also outside they finished. So as you can see, my husband designed, it's 5 blocks. The rest are 5 blocks too. But anyways, this is 5 blocks. He designed 6 blocks, and then the rest is 7 blocks. That would be the same height with the one in the corner. So yeah, the one in the corner, that would be the same height. So he likes design. He's been to an architecture. So yeah, so that's for today and the last day, and no more work for this month. Yeah, we installed that one. We installed that wood fence. We're so happy that it's done. This is the laundry of my classmate. I bring it inside the house because again it's pouring. So yeah, that would be all for today and the last day. And so guys, as you can see, we still don't have a ceiling because we're going to put ceiling like what we have right now. Kita nyo yan sa hallway. As you can see in our hallway, we use drop ceiling. So it's ceiling tiles. And as you can see in this, from living room, dining room, and here in the kitchen, still don't have a ceiling because that's what we're going to do next month. Need to be done next month. So yan. You can still see, how do you call it, the steel. But in the next month, that would be covered. So it will be fancy and strong and simple, and I'm so proud of it because it's all worth it. This is very, very strong house. Charot. So yeah, at least you guys can see our journey for making this house beautiful. So yeah. Again guys, there's a lot of questions. How do you call it? Why we're still working or making something that for the house, since if we're going to sell this, so what? Why?
The house has been listed for $5 million. That is the completed price. So right now, if somebody wanted to buy this house, we would either discount the amount that we haven't finished, or we would finish it. So since many people seem to want things finished, we are continuing with the work. It also makes it look nicer, and therefore hopefully more people would be more interested.
Yep. So yeah, I hope that would answer your question. Since again, some people like to buy some or buy some investment if it's ready to move in, or but we like the next owner to be choose what they want to do for some renovation if they own this house.
How they want it finished. In other words, to make it more them than us.
So yeah, we mainly designed this house for like open choices. And we make beautiful we make beautiful as we can. So yeah.
But the big thing that we are concentrating
Qualities and strength. It's not just good, it's not just for show and tell, but yeah, it's what we want, and preferably for the next owner. So if you are interested, you can visit us so you can check our place. Yeah, yun lang guys. Happens to. So it's a house now. Charot. Anyways, that's it for today. And yeah, I hope you've learned a lot on how we build the construction way, the American way of my husband, and how it's styled and how it's designed. So yeah, I hope this will help you or have an idea on how to build a house or a fence. So yeah, that's all for today. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and please subscribe. So bye-bye.